Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to roll up your charging cables. It takes a bit of practice, but once you get it, it's really quite easy to do, and it should help keep your cables nice and tidy next to your wall charger. Okay, so what you want to do is do a series of forward and backward loops. So grab the end of your charger. So let's do one forward loop like that, and then do a backward loop. So basically do a loop this way so that the lead end is on the behind the loop, and then do a forward loop so that the lead is in front of the loop, and then do a reverse loop so that the lead is behind the loop, and that should be enough to hook back onto your cable holder. Let's show that one more time. And the good thing about doing it this way is that when you drop it like that, it sort of drops very nicely rather than being tangled on the floor. So one more time. Hold the end of your cable like this, do one forward loop where the lead is in front of the loop, and then do a backward loop where the lead is behind the next loop, do a forward loop where the lead is in front of the loop, and one more backward loop where the lead is behind the loop. And if you want to do one more, you can, depending how tight you want it. Not too tight, mind you. And that hooks nicely onto the cable holder right there. Alright guys, well now you know how the professionals do it. If you do it this way, then you'll keep your cables nice and tidy next to your wall charger. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and as always, happy charging. I do solemnly promise, should I win a Roadster 2020 in Tesla's new referral program, to list this vehicle on an electric car sharing platform to allow all Australians an opportunity to drive this magnificent car as part of a greater effort to bring the electric vehicle to this great nation. Hashtag Roadster Down Under. Help me by using my referral code Thomas7208.